To be honest, I don't think I've ever seen chickens in the tree. Hello! Welcome back to the mainland of Bali. We have just been on a pretty epic adventure in Lombok, but now we are in Ubud and we have a couple of days to burn here before heading up to northern Bali and enjoying some of the wonderful waterfalls of Bali we've heard so much about.
Can't wait. It's going to be a bit of change of scenery from the beaches. But if you want to keep up with what we are getting up to, then please subscribe to our channel to see all our vlogs from our adventures in Southeast Asia.
So we woke up early this morning to come down to Tegalalang rice terraces, and it's absolutely beautiful.
So we just arrived at our first waterfall stop for today, Tenangan Waterfall, just a short scooter ride from Ubud. Alright, so we've just arrived at our next waterfall, Tibimana Waterfall, and we just had some lunch. Some of these plants don't even look real. Last one for the day, Tekad Japang Waterfall. So over these steps though. It doesn't get any easier.
You just gotta do it to see the good views.
This is definitely one of the coolest waterfalls we've been to today, for sure. So we've just checked out of our accommodation in Ubud and now we are heading to Badugul near Circumful Waterfall we are staying, and we've just found ourselves a driver. So we've just got our driver to stop in at Leki Leki on the way to Badugul. And now we are on the trek down. So we've just stopped by a coffee plantation. We're going to try some mangosteen tea.
Hello. 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 We had the tea.
And the skin for what the tea.
Is that for the tea? So you
Yeah.
just like, I just take this? Or take it all?
Yeah. This
Or
one.
just take this? That's nice.
Natural lipstick pink.
Should I put it on my lips?
It's a beautiful morning here in northern Bali. It's our first full day here. We are heading out on a day trip that we've organised with Sugi, the owner of our homestay. We'll be heading to some hot springs, Buddhist temple, a Ling waterfall, and then finally Git waterfall. Check out this breakfast spread. Obviously Brianna's already eaten all the fried banana.
Look at my pancakes. Chocolate.
So we've just arrived at a Ling waterfall. And now we are heading down with a guide to see the waterfalls. Maybe do some activities. Okay, so we're going to go slide down here. How good was that? A Ling waterfall, water slides, jumping off the cliffs. Now we are just at a Buddhist temple before we head to the hot springs. We got our nice sarongs on. So our first stop today is Ulan Banu Dertan, the temple on the lake. It's a Hindu temple.
A little bit cool here in the jungle.
Yeah, it's a nice change.
So random having SpongeBob here at a Hindu temple.
The famous Handara Golf Resort gates. So this is the biggest waste of time and money that you can do in Bali right here. Can you hear that? Banyamala Twin Waterfalls, 300 meters away. Last stop for the day. Let's get
exhausted.
it. So spent.
Walking down to Secampo Waterfall, and at 6:30 AM it's our last day here, and host Sugi recommended coming down early in the morning on our last day to get the best lighting and enjoy it with not many people, so we're looking forward to that.
Wowee. How good is that? It's huge.
The biggest waterfall. It's at the top.
Alright guys, so that concludes our time here in northern Bali. We've had an amazing time chasing waterfalls. We hope you are not sick of them. But for now, we are heading off to Singapore.
See you in Singapore.